Good morning. We're at the Bullhead City Dog Park. This is Mark Perry. He's our project manager. He actually works for the city. He and Tom are the ones that are actually organizing us, getting us going with all the volunteers. As you can see, there's all the volunteers. It's Saturday morning. We started about 8 o'clock this morning. Mark, talk to me about what's going on here. What are all these boards and people on their knees for?
Well, we got some volunteers. We mapped out our walkway for the large dog park, and right now we're still finishing off leveling it off and putting in our stakes.
When do you plan on pouring the concrete?
Monday morning, 7 a.m. You can be here to help. Anybody, show up.
What should we bring, Mark?
Bring your muscles. We'll have the tools. Be ready to work.
Good. Anticipation of this is the large dog park. Once this is done, it's set. You take the forms out, and when do you plan on doing the small dog park, the forms?
We'll see how the week goes. Hopefully, maybe next Saturday we can form that one up, and then repeat on the following Monday to do the small dog park. Get this going.
Okay, so the anticipation is that we should have all our concrete in, other than the ramadas, within 2 weeks.
Yes, if everything goes good, yep.
Okay, projections after that. Are we going to put the stone in, and as far as the decorative stone?
Projection after that, we're going to put in some decorative curbing, bring in the crushed granite, and I'd like to get our trees in the center there. We have a couple trees that go in the centers of the walking area, so we need to get those in, all the underground's ready. And then after the concrete and the curbing's done, we're going to put a fence around it.
Okay, so possibly we'll have the fence done by middle of April.
Okay.
That would be. Would that be a pretty good?
Yep, that sounds good. And then once the decorative curbing in, the city's going to finish putting in the irrigation sprinklers.
Okay. Okay, so you're actually on your own time right now working?
Yes, I'm volunteering right now.
You're volunteering, and then Monday you're going to be helping us out for the concrete.
The city has volunteered some of the company's time and some materials and stuff, yes.
Well, we really appreciate it. The simple reason is we know how busy the city is to give us 2 employees of you guys' caliber. Thank you, Mark. All the start working on it. Is that what you want to do? Are you going to need all those tools? Are you going to need all those tools that we have? Yeah, they're not. Natural flat. Concrete tools. We can cut it. Everybody.
Sometimes, yeah.
When I first heard about it, well, the second time I heard it was when I heard about it, and it's like, I'm over it.
Yes, it's nice. I know better. I don't know.
Here's the really heavy one?
No, the small one.
No, the really heavy one I moved out there.
Tom, do you want some help over here? These guys are getting caught up.
Hey, we're not done here yet, Ron. Don't abandon your post.
You all right?
Jeez.